Moment of truth.
Okay, we're starting our second river crossing, which actually is 4 river crossings over this beast. How are you feeling, Keith?
Well, I'm going to soon be feeling wet. At the minute I'm feeling relatively dry.
Okay. Yeah, okay, so we're now entering the river. I'm just going to put my feet up.
Anybody spotted any water yet?
I don't want to.
Not yet.
Driving along the riverboat car.
Taking a chance here. Oh, we got a leakage down here.
Oh, leakage.
There it is.
Okay, that was number 1.
One down. There
One
you
down,
go.
yeah. Okay, so that was the widest, but it was actually one of the shots. Oh, we lost the glasses. Okay, it's okay.
Look
Yeah.
at my glasses, what?
So how's the steering? Is it okay?
Heavy because we've no power steering.
Yeah.
And didn't much water come in? Or were we okay?
Just a little bit.
Oh, really? I was okay, yeah. Yeah.
We did that one, the rest should be easy.
No, the others are deeper, but okay, we'll see.
It's shorter.
Shorter, yeah, this is true. And I should mention that our tractor failed to start earlier, so.
And sounds like a motorbike.
I love the kids on top of the
A
tractor.
little disconcerted.
Can you...
Okay, this is number 2. Look how fast flowing that is. We're just gonna drive into it. Whoa.
Here we go. Yeah. Oh my.
Please don't stop, tractor.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's easy.
Alright. That wasn't
2
so bad.
down.
The first one was the scariest.
Yeah.
Now we've got used to it, we're river crossing experts.
More or less. Sign's even got his window down for the next one.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they gave me for the camera, you know.
Do you mind putting it up before we cross the river?
No, it'll be fine. What could possibly go wrong?
Can you really? Saya?
What's that?
We're going to cross the river now. Can you?
Did you forget that's what we were doing, Sam?
Gee, on the bow wave. Well, it actually feels like we're floating in a boat.
Whoa.
Okay, that was 3.
Peugeot. Average cars, amazing boats.
Yeah. I think we have one more. The objective is to get to these girders over here. So. We have our local spectators coming along for the ride.
They must be enjoying this.
Yeah.
It's a highlight of their day.
Look at this beast go.
This is also the cleanest our car's been in
Yeah,
quite
pretty
some time.
clean. That's quite good. Is there one more?
One more.
There is, okay.
A little one.
Oh, yeah, easy. Has anyone got any water?
A little.
You have a little.
Yeah, it's a little bit.
It's because you've got the roof rack things. Okay.
Oh, the tractor's slowing down.
Oh, this is serious.
Serious business.
Holy crap, there's a lot of water. That went right over the bonnet.
It's right there.
And we made it!
Yes.
Yeah.
Our comrades.
First river crossing. No, second. Oh, 5. Good. So, success?
Success. We haven't started the car yet, but yeah.
We're across the river.